Is having that perfect design for your blog holding you back from blogging for your business? If it is, watch over my shoulder because in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a top quality design for your blog without the high cost of a designer. Okay, so in this video, we are going to take where we left off in the 3-minute blog installation video. So the article titled How to Build Your Own Hosted WordPress Blog in 3 Minutes. We are going to add to that, and we're going to actually take this ugly looking blog that we installed in 3 minutes and we're going to make it look nice, so that this isn't all there is to it, and this is what you're left with. So you can actually get a whole bunch of really cool templates. So we're going to start off by going to the site that we just created. And we're going to type wp-admin. And that's going to bring us to the admin panel, where we're going to be able to put in the username and password that we chose when we installed the blog. Now, if you haven't done the 3-minute blog installation, that's okay. You can go back on this page, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can click on the actual article in the description down there and go to the article, and in the show notes on the article, it's going to show you links to get back to the previous article so that you can install the blog. So you'll know how to do this, and you'll know what your password is at this point. So go ahead and log into WordPress. And we're going to click on Appearance. And it really is just this simple. Like, you've got a small business theme right now. Let's say you want to install a free theme, because there's options to use free themes, or you can get a paid theme like I recommend. And I don't just recommend that because I'm an affiliate. I actually recommend it because it saves you a lot of time. And there's some really well done designs. However, there is also some really nice designs on the free side as well. You're just not going to have a theme that's limited to the number of people who are going to own it. So that's one downfall. If you want to go free, try and customize it as much as you can to make it your own. So what we're going to do is we clicked on the Install Themes tab, and you can search for themes. You can use this to try and find one. I usually like to look at featured because they usually have the best ones, and newest. Newest has some really cool themes as well. There we go. So you can actually scroll through here and just spend like hours if you want, just finding the perfect theme for you. And you know what? It's worth it. Like, it's gonna be the theme of your blog. So it's important that it's something that you like and you want to update. So spend the time. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to read a little bit about it. Okay, it looks pretty cool. I'm going to install it. I'm just going to click install. And there we go. It unpacks it for me. And I can preview it on the site. Live preview. Gives me an idea what I'm getting into. It's pretty basic. Nothing exciting. So I can go ahead and save it and activate it if I want this. This design looks really plain. I'm assuming that we're going to have to jazz it up a little when we customize it in order to make it look nice. You'll notice here you can update your site title and the tagline for your site. And it gives you some example pages. Here's a sample page. And the blog. That's what the blog posts are going to look like. Okay. Looks all right. Now I'm going to show you how to pick a Woo theme. If you go to the description in the video, or if you look below for the links in the show notes, you'll have a link to Woothemes. I recommend Woothemes because it's the theme that I use on my site. So that's pretty much how I recommend anything. Is if I use it, I recommend it. And you can just click on all themes here. And again, you can pick what you want. You can pick like responsive themes and search just for those. And it'll give you a whole bunch of themes that work on cell phones, tablets, whatever whatever your audience is looking at. They'll be able to scale the design down. Like this is a really good example. If you scale it down, it'll actually, I gotta go to the demo to show you that. Here we go. So if you scale this page down, you'll notice, see how the copy changes to a smaller version and everything drops down, and then it gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and the text shrinks. And now it looks great if you were on a cell phone. This is what I mean by responsive designs. Everything's kind of going this way. This means that if anyone's on like a tablet or an iPhone, it gives you a beautiful design right in the browser, so you don't have to worry about having an app for your website or for your business. People are going to be able to access your website and view it on all tablets, or all different types of designs right with this responsive style design. So very important moving into the future of mobile. I recommend that you pick one of those responsive designs. So for our demonstration, I'm going to go and just grab a Woo theme that I've downloaded. So I purchased, it's very easy to purchase. You click a button and do the checkout. And then what happens is you pick a username and password during the checkout, and they log you into what they call My Account. And you actually can then come in here and download whatever themes that you've purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and download this theme. And boom. Okay, so now that it's down in my downloads, all I have to do is pop open the Finder. And I want to right click on this. If you're on a Mac, I don't think you have to do this on a PC. But right click on it and compress Boast, because that's the name of the file. Once you click that, compress Boast, it will create a boast.zip file. Okay. And what we're going to do now is go back to our WordPress site, click on themes. And the reason we need it in a zip file is because for some reason WordPress likes you to only install it if it's a zip file. Then you, instead of searching, you just click on upload and choose file. And click on downloads. And click on zip file that you just zipped. And click install now. Okay, there we go. And click activate. And you're in business. Now we can go right through here and use the Woothemes Framework. This is one of the reasons Woothemes is really cool, because they give you a bunch of different options here. Like if we take a look at it right now, let's open it up. Here's what it's going to look like right now. So this is the Boast theme. And now let's go customize it. So I want to make it grayscale. Want to upload a custom logo. There's a logo there for my computer, and I'm going to save, use this image. Cool. There's your logo, and I can upload my favicon. Well, you get the idea. You get to completely style it the way that you want to. You've got a bunch of options here, and you can go through all these different options and sort of tweak the site the way that you want to tweak it. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Cool. So head on over to Woothemes or check out some of the other options I have in the show notes, and don't let a 10-minute design hold you back from blogging. Get a design up there, even if it's a free version design, and put some content out there and improve on it later. Just get out there and start blogging for your business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up on YouTube if you're on YouTube. If you're on my blog right now, go down there and let me know what you think of the video in the comments, or ask me any questions. I read my comments on the blog, so I will respond to you. So go ahead and ask your questions in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks.